What's up, YouTube? It is 8:30 and we're just about getting ready to go pick up the 240. Supposed to get it done a little earlier, but Doc had shit to do. Man got to run his business, so we got the truck and trailer set up and we about to hit it. Go check out what's going on.
Tripping on bass with the legs say so. Never tell a back that I never stay running. Sitting on face, that stakes. The left taking you straight one with the cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch, you won't make your motherfucking head split. Cause to the last, never really gon' play shit. That one never really gon' chase it.
Where the class is low humidity, but if both of those were just lowered 10%, then you get no clouds at all. And a plane comes along, it raises the humidity in the cloud area and the non-cloud area, but this area is a bit higher.
So we out here and we're just about getting ready to load this 240 up, take it back to the shop and get ready for tuning. We're supposed to handle the tuning today, but because of the time we get this all done, we're not able to do that today. So we're gonna have to handle that in another day, but y'all just keep it locked for that. Hold on, man. Okay.
Taking my life, thinking it's right, switching and missing the point to the time, washing the thoughts in the back of my mind, telling that I know for fact that they mine, watching me, I'm so low, I walk with your photo, take money from the locked door, bitch move back what you pay for, swinging down the one away, take a dip in the flash shade, I come with the landscape, I run with the long day, tell me bitch that I wait outside, tell me shit that I never hide, thinking down with no side to side, break down with no shit to try.
I don't know about you, but I'm having a really great time. There's no way that I can express to you what I'm feeling right now. My heart is full to bursting, except to say, I'm the king of the world!
Everything's loaded up and we out this bitch.
And basically,
Break it down for a second, go and break it down just a little, had love for a nigga, but steady playing games with his magic, steady throwing lanes.
We just got back to Tampa, ready to pull this off the trailer and into the shop. The 2JZ 240. I guess Doc will fill y'all in on what the plans are completely for this car whenever he feels ready to do that. But for until then, keep it locked. thanks for watching Florida E85. Like I said, if y'all want to see the finish of this build, keep it locked. We gonna finish it, and we all gonna see it finish together. So y'all, let's keep it locked in. We gonna see this.